Hi everyone, welcome back, and this is my another fabric cake pincushion in the blue pastel blue theme. And this I make this for my sweet friend, and her birthday already over, is December last year. Yeah, because I want to ship this ambassador the DT package to her, so I just want to make something for her, for just wishing her belated birthday. So yeah, and now I'll show you what I before. And this is her ambassador kit, package, and I make this paper to match with the theme, and also these two cake box also match with the theme, and inside the goodies also is the for the ambassador goodies. So now I show you the this set first. This is the set that I showed before in my last year video, and this is the blue kettle that I made, and I just private message to Janine before, ask her which color theme she will like, blue, pastel blue, pink or purple, and she chose a blue. So yes, so I just send this to her, and yeah, and also make two cake box to match with this. And I show you before this kit, this set in last year video, and just show you one more time. In this set is I make the beautiful tag in the tea party theme, with the kettle tag, and this tag, and this, and another tag, and here you can slide another teapot, teacup, and the tag, and yeah, this one, yeah, I showed before in the video, this one. So this is the tag, so I put in the drawer here. And last time when I show you, I haven't put the sticker on the let me do close back first before I show. Okay, sorry, because this I have to put it right. Okay, last time the video I haven't put the sticker on top on the flower, and I know I put everything, and so sparkling and so pretty. This, and I added this bit here, another bit here, pretty. And for the cupcake also, I first cut out the flower and add on top of the cake is this flower. And inside the goodies, I will just wait for the Janine to show you all. Okay, this is the set here, and now I show you the belated birthday cake for her, and in the blue theme also. And I also use the fabric, you can see, match with the theme, and underneath here also use the same fabric pattern to make this cake. And what I did is just put the flower petal in the blue two-tone color, and at this applique is, I so happy because I just all this is the leftover in my stash, and it's just right and enough to cover the cake. So happy. Okay, continue, sorry. So yeah, I make this, and I add the organza flower around, So and put the dangle beads around, and this also some of the laces in my stash. It's just matched with this cake, and I put the rosette trim. And this blue is I hand dyed by my own. I love the color turn out. It's very pastel. Yeah, so hard. Yeah, difficult to get the pastel blue in this rosette trim. So yeah, so and all this is a paint, so can remove. Also the flower also is a paint. Okay, so all around also you can remove it. So yeah, another lace cake pin cushion that I made in 2020, and yeah, let me do adjust the, oh sorry, the camera so you can see it. So yeah, all this is the item that I will send out after the, yeah, I pack everything. So yeah, this cake, this box is too small for me to put stuff, all the item inside. So yeah, that's it, and in the blue theme, and I really hope you all like it, and I do really hope, yeah, who receive this will happy. And yeah, this is quite useful because you can put all the needle on top. It's quite big enough. So yeah, anyway, yeah, did I mention where I sent to? Yeah, anyway, I will send to this to Janine, my dear friend, and I call her sis, and because she is such a I mean, yeah, best friend of mine. And thanks again for yeah, just really hope you will like this, Janine, and everything here. I will pack everything and send it out as soon as possible, and before Chinese New Year in Malaysia. We'll celebrate next week. Yeah, next week. Yeah, so I have to hurry because public holiday again. So yeah, thanks again for everyone, and just leave me a comment. What do you all think in the blue theme cake? And just give me a big thumbs up for yeah, thanks again, yeah, for all your support, and all my new suppies and old suppies for your support, your continuous support. And thanks again for everyone. And yeah, let's see, maybe I will come back and show you another project again, because I have to, yeah, finish all my money kit, my special sales kit, my limited sales kit, everything. And my time is just, yeah, I always mention I wish I have 48 hours or 72 hours in per day. And anyway, yeah, I really enjoy to make all the things, and turn out pretty, and I'm so happy and so satisfying. Okay, so, and bye bye everyone.